All right. We have this thing that I've created to off-road beautifully. And now we have the terrain types in here. So, after I specifically fine-tuned this vehicular device, I am going to now see how well it does on these terrain types. Okay. That's really bouncy. I think I would get a headache from this just a little bit. Okay, my steering is all messed up now. Is my steering all messed up? Yep. Yes, it is. So let's just reset. This thing is 0 traction. I'm turning this thing back on. Okay. Yo. This thing is way too bouncy. Ouch.